Slots and things, it's Mark and Nina. We at the casino. We just want you to come hang with us. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe button and come along to join us. It's Slots and Things. Mark and Nina. It's Slots and Things. What's up, family? This your girl Nina. I'm here playing Chica Bonita. And those are the jackpots. And I just wanted to try some $1, $5 bets. Started with $100 and we got the bonus. Let's see if we can land this triple major. $1,402. Come on, words, get in there. Don't be done. Ooh, $100, yes, baby. Come on, do it again. Thank you. I feel like my camera's cooking. I apologize if it is. Come on, let's go. Pop, 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 pop. Thank you. Come on, pop. Thank you. Come on, keep us in the game, baby. Let's fill her up. Let's fill her up. Some words. Get in there. Come on, baby. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. Not bad. We'll take it. Got $100. So we done doubled already. $215. Alright. Okay, Chica, I see you, girl. Thank you. Alright, let's see if we can make something happen before 2. Oh, look at that. Back to back. We're going back to back today. Let's go, baby. Right back in it. Let's get some words. Again, that's what we're playing for. That minor and that major is an instant jackpot. Let's go. Pop, 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 pop. We want triples. Let's go. Get in there. Anything, anywhere, baby. Come on, keep us in the game. Thank you. Come on, keep us in the game. Come on, baby. Save us. Thank you. In the game, baby. Anything, anywhere. Thank you. Save it. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. $80 make you holla. Let's see if we can get anything before 3 now. Do it again. Back to back to back. Come on, baby. Come on, let's do it. I would love the free games on this. Come on, baby. You gotta keep us in the game. We're getting close. Alright, last scan unless she saves us. Alright, that is $300. That is Chica Bonita. We started with $100 and we got $300. I am about to go bank and I'm gonna find something else to play. Actually, I might slip another 100 in here and play the 50. So I'll be back if we get anything else. Thanks for watching. Alright, y'all, I am back in it. I did bank $200. I put $100 in. Those are the jackpots. I had two nice line hits, one for 50, another one for 30. So that's how I got above my 100. And we're gonna see what we can do. Let's see if we can get some of these triple words. Let's go, baby. A triple major would be perfect. Come on. Don't be done, baby. Keep us in the game. Come on. Do it. Oh, she done. It's okay. $80. We'll take it. Alright. So we are gonna play this to 100 again. Probably just gonna keep you guys with me here. Come on, do it, do it, do it. I would like to get the free games. And just in case no one doesn't know, though, 3 of those will get us the bonus 3 anywhere on the screen. She is wild. I think them, they were here, here, here. And I think here, and it was like $50. I was shocked. Oh, do it, please do it. 3. That many is $250. So 6 of those will send us into the hold and spin. Come on, baby. Don't be done. Quiet. That's the smallest line lit I done had since I sat here. Come on, save me, baby. Do it, one more, yes. Right on time, too, is at 103. Now be good to me. Be good to me, ma'am. Let's go. Trigger was $10. Let's get a screen full of them suns. Ooh, yes, we're in it. Let us in, let us in, let us in. Go. Get some words, please. Words. Come on, pop. Fill her up. Yes. Come on, baby. Get in there. Thank you. We need 1 for the grand, baby. $10,382. $10,382. $10,382. Not this time. Honey's not here, so that's the button. All right, let's go. Don't be done, baby. Coins. Retrigger. We are at 300. Ooh. I want to pull that and bank. I'm going to pull that and bank and come back and do my backup. I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, I am back in it. There are the jackpots. They are still the same. I banked the 200 out of the 3. I put 100 back, and this is where we are with the bonus. Let's go. Come on. Don't be done. Pop, 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 pop. Pop. Thank you. Thank you. 2 at a time. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get some words, baby. Get in there. Come on. Ooh, I see $100 flying. Get in there. Thank you. 5, but I'll take it. Come on. Thank you. Come on, baby. Keep us in the game. Fill her up. Come back, Minnie. Come on, Triple Minnie. Come back. Come back, 100. All right. What we got? $105. We'll do it. Alright, we're gonna play to do it. To 100 again. If I don't get anything, I am gonna move. So let's see what happens. Y'all please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to us if you aren't already subscribed. Leave us a comment. Let us know you were here. We do reply to all comments. So we're do it too. Definitely are gonna say hi back to you. Come on, baby. One more. Ooh. All right, let's see. Come on, baby. Don't be done. Come on. So we are only playing the 50 lines, I think, the 5 lines. The 10 lines would be $10. $10 is too steep for me. Come on, Chica. Oh man, I thought them queens was gonna add up to something, but it didn't. Do it, please. All right, we're getting down. Gotta be doing it if you're gonna do it. $12. It's a nice little save. Last spin. We'll do the $2 here. How much I got? $2 exactly. So go to 1 cent and do $2. All right, you guys, that is Chica Bonita. I'm gonna take my $100 and go play something else. I think that we have dried her up for now. So I'm gonna find something else. Thanks for watching. Bye.